Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a blueprint in Wrike. All right. Did you know that if you have a folder or project right here, you can go ahead and save it as a blueprint. Just click on the three dots and click on save as blueprint. Okay. Right here, just go ahead and rename the project itself if you want to. All right. For example, I'm going to rename it as blueprint from first project like that. If you want to add in some prefix, go ahead and do so. And save as right here, just keep it as is. Location, if you want to, you can go ahead, click on the plus sign and save it to another project folder space. All right, once that's done, go ahead and tick on all the necessary check boxes. Now go ahead and hit on save. As you can see here, this blueprint was saved as first space blueprint. Just hit on open. And as you can see here, we are being landed to the blueprint section. Okay, now going back, I'm going to show you how to navigate to this section. First up, go ahead and go to your space. Okay, for example, this space right here. I'm going to click on the gear icon. Here we have our blueprints. Okay, as you can see here, we just created this one. So what I'm going to do is just click on plus item. Just click on it and rename it. For example, second blueprint. Hit on enter. Now in here, three dots will change the item type. Could be a new project. Okay. Just hit on change item type. There you go. And here you have the assignee. You can go ahead and change the assignee from here. Now you can go ahead and set the due date from here. Now go ahead and hover your mouse into the blueprint. Now click on open. Here you go. If you want it to be viewed as a board. All right. Here you have the board view. Calendar view right here. Table like that. Now go ahead and add in some task right here if you want to, like fourth task, fifth task, and enter, and go ahead and put the assignee right here like that. The status, you can change it to new, planned, in progress, in review. For example, this one is in progress, this one is completed, this one is on hold, and this one is new. All right, the due date right here would be 30. Okay, budget 500 like that, 400, and the impact medium, high. Files, if you want to add in some files, go ahead and use these options. All right, you have your computer, Google Drive, and some other good stuff. Okay, when you click on a task right here, you can go ahead and edit the data from here. For example, I want to add in some description like finish the project, this project, like that. If you want to mention people, go ahead and do so right here in the message box. Okay. If you want to add in some dependency, click on dependency right here, and you have the predecessor and successor. Okay. That's basically how you do it. Just click on X, and these tasks right here from this blueprint will be saved. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.